Hi guys, it's me Paris, and this is my first ever video, so please give it up to 15,000 likes. If you do, I'll do some more challenging and eat a rare. If I do get it, I might dump a whole ice bucket on my head. So let's get started. So first I'm going to show you my slime. This is my slime, but I got rubber bands in it, cause like, you see that slime? It's
yeah, she doing something over there.
and sorry for the noise. That's my mom.
No,
Dad on the phone.
She doing something on that tab. I know. Nobody else don't answer. I told her I could have the phone, but she didn't tell her what she was doing.
And sorry if I just got out of school. So if you wanna make this, I will show you like the video that I made it with. I'm just gonna show you the video I made it with. And if you want to make it, comment down below what's the recipe, and I will tell you the recipe. And you'll be winning. And the first one to hit that thumbs up button gets an iPhone Mini and an iPhone 7 and an Apple Watch.
I never asked for that on our account. I said because you come.
And I'll start doing more videos like Num Nums and
yeah. She's gonna remove it. I said okay. My husband.
So yeah, I'll do more videos like that and blind bags. And
she said, Bobby having something in the savings already.
I'm gonna count to 3. You better smash that thumbs up button. 1, 2, 3, hit it! Yep, bye guys.